I recommend Oren to everyone.
It has completely changed the way my selling process takes place.
Oren's method can definitely work in any selling situation.
I quickly accelerated and became the #1 sales leader globally and have done that for 2 years in a row.
Oren is absolutely brilliant. His methodology is unlike anything I've come across.
I had a life-changing experience from the examples and how it was a real-life scenario.
He came to me, he's like, dude, that's probably the best pitch you've ever given me. Nice job.
We go into presentations at our firm now, we know that this has got an 8 in 10 chance of success.
And has really changed the course of my life and where it's going because of the impact that's had.
He knows his stuff, and there's no one better than him out there in this subject matter.
I would highly recommend Oren Klaff.
It's absolutely changed my life.
Come on.